Good morning to all. Myself Vasavi. I am from Civil Department. I am purchasing second BTech first semester. Today my topic is center of pressure and total pressure. First, total pressure. We have to see about total pressure. In this diagram, we have to see the total pressure. In this figure, we have to see distance between gravity to H star and pressure to H star, height H. In this figure, we have to see H dash H star. We have to derive P is equals to F by A. F is equals to P into A. Consider a strip of thickness dH and width B at a depth of H from free surface of liquid. Pressure intensity on the strip P is equals to rho ZH. Pressure intensity on the strip P is equals to rho ZH. Area of the strip dA is equals to B into dH. Total pressure force on strip dF is equals to T into area. Rho ZH into B into dH. Total pressure force on the whole surface. F is equals to integral dF is equals to rho ZH into B into dH. For above said equation, there is rho z is constant, so we have to write outside rho z. Next, integral b into h into dh. We have to know h into dh is equals to dA. That is substituting in above equation. Rho z integral b into h into dh is equals to integral h into dA. Moment of surface area about the free surface of liquid. Area of surface into distance of center of gravity from free surface. F is equals to A into H star. F is equals to rho z A H dash. This is the equation for total pressure. We have to see the diagram and derive the derivation easily. Finally, we have to find out the F value. F value is rho z A H dash. Next topic is center of pressure. Moment of force is equals to F into H star. We have to consider it as equation 1. Moment of force is equals to F into H star. Moment of force acting on a strip is equals to F into dH. We know F is equals to rho ZH into B into dH. We have to substitute the dF value in above equation. Moment of force acting on a strip is equals to dF into H. In dF place, we have to substitute the dF value. Rho ZH into B into dH into H. This is the equation after substituting the dF value in that equation. Sum of moments of all such forces. We have to see last rho ZH into B into dH into H. For this equation, we have to integrating. After integrating, integral rho ZH into B into dH into H. For above equation, rho z is constant. Integral h into B into dH into H. We know dA is equals to B into dH. rho z integral h square b into dh. B into dh, uh, in that place we have to substitute dA value. Rho z integral h square dA. Finally we got that answer. Moment of inertia of the surface from free surface. Moment of inertia of the surface from free surface. I naught is equals to integral bh square into dh. I naught is equals to integral bh square into dh. Sum of the moments above free surface. Rho z I naught. This is we have to considering it as equation 2. Sum of moments above free surface rho z I naught. Finally we got this is considering as equation 2. Equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. Equation 1 is f into h star and equation 2 is rho z I naught. We have to equate the equation 1 and equation 2. Finally, we got the final answer. F into h star is equals to rho z I naught. We know F is equals to rho z a h dash. In above equation, we have to substitute the f value rho z a h dash. After substituting the f value, finally rho z a h dash into h star is equals to rho z I naught. In this sentence, any cancellations will be occur. We have to check and cancel that. In this equation, both sides rho z is common, so we have to cancel the rho z. After the cancelling the rho z, a h dash into h star is equals to I naught. We want h star value, so we common the h star is equals to I naught by a h dash. This is this is considering as equation 3. We will find out the equation 1 and equation 2 by helping of equation 1 and equation 2, equating and substituting the f value and cancelling the equation. H star and h star will be common. Finally we will got the equation 3 value. Equation 3 value is h star is equals to I naught by a h dash. Next, by the theorem of parallel axis, I naught is equals to Iz plus a into h dash square. This is considering as equation 4. We have to find out equation 1 and equation 2 by equation 2, and by the helping of equation 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, we will find equation 3. And next, this is the standard formula for theorem of parallel axis, that is I naught is equals to Iz plus a into h dash square. This is we will considering as equation 4. Finally, we will find out the all 1, 2, 3, 4 values. That fourth equation we will substitute in equation 3. We have to see equation 3 means h star is equals to I naught by a h dash. This is the equation 3. And rho z I naught is equation 2. F into h star is equation 1. In Equation and equation 2, there is no sufficient substitution, so we have to substitute the equation 4 in equation 3. H star is equals to I naught by A H dash. Finally, we got H star is equals to Iz plus A into H dash squared by A H dash. We have to see any cancellations will be occur in that above equation. Finally, H star value is Iz by A H dash plus H dash. This is the simple process of derivation, derivating the derivation. Total pressure and center of pressure. By total pressure, by we will seeing the by will taking the picture, how the center to H dash distance and P to H star distance, we have to find out this. And next, center of pressure, we have to find equation. We will be find it equation 1 and equation 2. By taking the help, we have to find out the equation 3. The standard value for parallel axis, that is I naught is equals to Iz plus A into H dash square, that will be considering as equation 4. And that equation 4 substitute, we will substituting the equation 3 value. Finally, we will got the H star value. This is the simple derivation of total pressure and center of pressure. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.